So, I just came home from LB shop. So, binitbit ko siya, guys. Kasama ko yung ano ko. Let's unbox this one. Actually, this is Minion. Bago na naman siya. Kasi, guys, I'm so happy. Ano to? Neverfull bago na naman siya kasi pinalitan yung una ko. So, pinalitan nila ng bago. After 1 year, nagamit ko yun ng 1 year. Tapos pinalitan nila. Mag-unbox tayo. Dito tayo. Kita niyo guys. Let's unboxing. Neverfull bag. May pinagawa kasi ako guys, which is really nice. Ay, may lock pa pala siya. Kailangan pala i-push yun. So, ito yung I got the new one. New baby is home. I love it. Yo, this is the ito yung model niya. Yan siya. Guys, I really got it. The new one. Thank you, Lord. I really got the new one, guys. It's so nice. It smells so nice. I got new pouch. Good. Thank you. Okay. Talagang bagong-bago siya, guys. And surprise! Gustong-gusto ko siya. Para hindi tayo malito kung sino, kung kanino. May pangalan ko, guys. I love it. Thank you, LV. I'm so happy. Yung resibo. Tabi natin to. That's all for now. Bye!